Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade gold versus US dollar where we can make good profits. Let us first apply the trade. Here we are getting the entry at the right place. Here I am applying the trade with proper risk management. See you guys after some time. Guys, we have $4,459 in this account right now. We are losing a few dollars. Let's see when this loss converts into profit. Till then, let me explain to you step by step through technical analysis why we placed a buying trade here. The market has been moving sideways for a long time, due to which we are not able to know the exact trend of the market. As we move forward in technical analysis, you will get an idea of where the market may go. Here we will first create a consolidation zone, for which I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level, from where the market has reversed downwards at the same level. This was a strong resistance level which the market has been following for a long time. We will take another rectangle tool here, which will be placed at this level. At this level the market has created multiple support points. Whenever the market has come to this level, it has reversed upwards, due to which a strong support level has been created here. At these points you can see that the market was moving in this consolidation zone for quite some time. But just some time ago the market has broken this consolidation zone towards the top, due to which a buying opportunity has been created here where we have taken an entry. Now we will see where the market will go next. Now we will draw an arrow line to show how the market has moved in the consolidation zone. The market first entered this zone from here. From here the market remains sideways for a long time. You can guess from these arrow lines how the market has moved in this consolidation zone. Here we will see perfect support resistance points. The market will always move sideways after a strong uptrend or downtrend as the market keeps supply and demand in balance. Guys, our analysis is complete. All the levels here are perfect draws. Now we place stop loss and target point so that we can exit the market at the right place. Here my stop loss will be 45 pip below the strong resistance level. If this fake breakout happens, then our stop loss will be hit. But the chances of this are very less because the market is moving upwards while retesting after the breakout, and the target point will be 90 pip up, where the market will create higher high points of the new uptrend. Our profit target is correct because I am using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 here. Guys, we are making very good profit here, which is around $2,600. This profit will grow further. Our entry here is at the right place. Guys, now we will wait patiently for our target until the market hits either our profit target or stop loss. We will not close the trade. Always follow your rules in trading, only then you can achieve big targets. Trading is simple but not easy. We have followed the entire price action here. Let's see how the market reacts to our setup. We have done the analysis correctly from our side. Always believe in your setup. Unless you believe in your setup, you cannot make profit. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's go!
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into. I got nothing to lose.
Very nice, guys. Our prediction here turned out to be absolutely correct. The market went up as we analyzed. The market respected our setup because our analysis here was absolutely correct. This was the real breakout of the consolidation zone, where our entry was at the right place. The market is now moving upwards, forming a proper price action pattern. Our target point was at this level, which has been hit. Currently the market is running much above our profit target, from where there is a possibility of coming down because the market has made a big move. Now I will tell you by drawing the next level of the market, from where you will get an idea about the level the market will respect in the future. I am using the rectangle tool to draw this level. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level which the market has respected. This is the next strong reversal level of the market. Whenever the market comes near this level in future, we will see reversal points. Here the market can form a resistance, become support pattern, which is an uptrend pattern. The market moves upwards while forming such a pattern, which we can easily identify that our goal has been achieved here. Now we close the trade. Guys, we are making a profit of $17,000 here. We had $4,459 in this account, which has now grown to $22,000. This was a high probability trade for which we have waited for a long time. We managed this trade well because we knew our risk. which helped us achieve big targets. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.